Need to extract stamps and signatures securely without uploading them? Your files may contain confidential or sensitive information, so uploading them to an online service may not always be the best option. With Ninetu File Batcher, all processing takes place locally on your computer. Your files never leave your device. We have two document image containing a signature and a stamp that we want to extract. Let's see how to extract stamps and signatures from an image. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, select Image Tools, Stamp and Signature Extractor. Click Select Image and open the image containing the signature or stamp you want to extract. Once the image is loaded, drag the mouse to draw a selection box around the signature or stamp. Adjust the selection if necessary, then click the checkmark button to extract the selected region. Repeat this step if you want to extract additional stamps or signatures from the same image. Scroll down to the Extracted Regions panel to preview the extracted results. You can remove the background, refine the extraction, or delete an item before saving if needed. When you're satisfied with the extracted results, click Save to export all extracted stamps and signatures as separate image files. Open the Output folder to verify that each extracted signature and stamp has been saved correctly with clean edges and a transparent background, ready for use in other documents. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.